Hello, my dear friends. Once again, A.S.S. Science Foundation is here with the remarkable achievements of their students in June 2025 NET-JRF Environmental Sciences. So recently, all of you are aware that the results have been declared, and a lot of students from the institute have done remarkably well, and a total of 27 candidates, out of which few are not willing to share their information. So we have not asked them to share their information if they are not willing. But rest of them who have shared their information, we would be like to congratulate them in the subject domain. And the following candidates have done remarkably well. So we have the following candidate Divya. She have got a JRF as well as the NET-LS. She scored some 180 marks. Then Shiksha, she scored 166 marks and got a JRF as well as NET-LS. Sangeeta also scored 160 marks. She got a JRF and NET-LS. Then we have Shivangi Singh. She scored 164 marks and got a NET-LS along with PhD. Then we have Shubhangi Gupta. She also scored 162 marks and got a NET-LS. Then we have Akansha Tomar. Kansha Tomar also scored 156 marks and got a NET-LS. Then Keshar Verma, she scored 146 marks and got a NET-LS. Then Arpita Mitra, she also scored 144 marks and got a NET-LS. Then Vyanjana Yadav, she scored 144 marks and got a NET-LS. Then Adarsh Kumar Sharma, he also scored 144 marks and got a NET-LS. Then Komal Mishra, she scored some 150 marks and got PhD admission only. Then we have Mittal Khatri. Mittal Khatri have scored 146 mark and she got a PhD only. Shelly, she scored some 144 marks and got a PhD only. Yuganshi also scored 142 marks and she got a PhD only. Then we have Akansha Joshi. She scored 140 marks and got PhD only. Then Shivangi Gagan. She scored 140 marks and got a PhD only. And Rashmi Sharma. She scored 132 marks and the PhD only. So we would like to congratulate all these successful candidates and all the other candidates who have not shared their information from the academy. So we would be happy to guide them through the interview as well as the research proposal, which will be the next part of our team to place our candidate at the top-notch institute. Though the paper was this time quite tough and the cutoff have also dropped down, but students have performed very well because they have been trained in depth by the team of the institution. We would also like to congratulate entire team of A.S.S Science Foundation, all the faculty member, Dr. Gaurav Sharma, Manisha ma'am, Dr. Abhishek, Dr. Ali, Dr. Manisha Sharma, Dr. Neha Mishra, all the people we are thankful. We are also thankful to the non-technical units, the test preparation team, right? Priya ma'am and all other people who have done the remarkable job to make the student feel comfortable during their preparation. So we would like to congratulate all the students for their remarkable feat in the June 2025 exam. At present, the institute is offering offline, online, correspondence with video, as well as correspondence program for December 2025 for NET-JRF and PhD only exams. At present, the institute is offering customized program also for the working professional, working women, and all other people who have the time scarcity. So they will be getting customized program from the institute side. In the annual board meeting, it have been decided. So all sort of such kind of customized program is available for the working professional, and a special rebate is being given to those people. We would also like to acknowledge people that if they are willing, they should join as early as possible because it takes 6 months of cycle at least to prepare in depth at looking at the quality and extent of the paper at present. The institute is also offering GATE Ecology Evolution, GATE Environmental Science and Engineering for 2026, both the programs. Institute is also offering courses such as Jammu Kashmir PSC, HPSC, Power Grid, IARI, all sort of exam at the national level, which is being considered for the PSUs and job perspective. Institute is also offering CUET PG for life sciences, environmental sciences, IIT JAM, and all other allied sciences. Institute also provide a comprehensive mentorship program as well as an interview and research proposal guidance regarding the admissions in higher studies in India as well as Europe and USA. So those who are willing to join us, please reach us as early as possible if you are determined to do your best in upcoming exam for the December 2025. You can use our numbers which have been mentioned below to reach our officials to get into touch, and you can ask the n number of questions to our officials to have your queries resolved. With this, once again, we would like to congratulate all the people who have successfully through June 2025. Thank you.